Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you might be wondering, how can you change the appearance of your Windows 11 taskbar and basically make it transparent or clear? Today in this video I'll show you how to do that. Now if you try to right click on your taskbar and go to taskbar settings right here, you find a lot of options to basically tweak with your settings or your taskbar settings, but none of these options right now can change the transparency of your taskbar. So Microsoft is probably gonna add that option in the future, but since it's not built in right now, I'll show you how can you work around that. Now we're gonna need the help of a third-party application. So you need to go ahead and go to your search bar here and find Microsoft Store. You might find it here. If you can't find it at all, just search for Store and you find Microsoft Store right here. Tap on it to open it, and of course you have to be logged into your Microsoft account, and let's search for the app that we're going to need. So it's going to be this one, Lively Wallpaper. This one right here, and that's our app. So as you can see guys, Lively Wallpaper is going to have 4.5 or 4.6 rating, so let's make sure this is the one. Okay, once you open this one, just go ahead and tap on get right here and wait for it to download and install. It's going to have around 200 megabytes to 300 megabytes, so it's not really a big app. Once you install it, just tap on open right here and wait for it to launch. Once it does, it's going to look like this. So what you need to do from here is tap on this gear icon to go to settings, and then here go to system, and then as you can see guys, it says taskbar theme. It's off right now, so let's go ahead and tap on it, and then we need to choose one of these options. If you want it to be completely clear, it's going to be clear right here. Blur, fluent is going to be one of these. So if you want your taskbar to be completely transparent, you need to choose clear, just like that. Now once you choose it, the change is not going to be immediate. Once you restart your Windows PC, it's going to be applied. So once you turn off your PC and turn it on again, this taskbar is going to be transparent. And that's how you do it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in future videos.